Hello friends, today let us check how to enable the YouTube safe mode feature. You can use restricted mode to block some video content that you may prefer not to see or don't want others on your family to see on YouTube. YouTube is using community flagging, age restrictions, and other user reports to identify and filter out the potentially inappropriate contents. This restricted mode works on browser level and device level. So you must turn it on for each browser that you use. If you want the restricted mode to stay enabled for anyone using the browser, you can lock the restricted mode also. First we will check how to enable safe mode and then we will look how to lock this restricted mode on the browser. Here I am using Mozilla Firefox. Now I will open YouTube. Here we will check how to enable the restricted mode of the YouTube. Here when you open the YouTube page, you can see here the sign in option. To enable the safe mode, you have to sign in on your YouTube. You can use your Google account. Enter your email and click next. Enter the password here. Sign in. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the YouTube page. Here you can see the language of your YouTube, the current location and the restricted mode off. You can turn it on by clicking on this drop down menu. Now scroll down again. Here you can change this to on and now just save to turn on the safe mode. After saving these settings, you can verify by scrolling it to the bottom of the page. Now the option is saved. But if anybody other using this computer and if other users are logged in with another account, this option will be automatically disabled. If you want to lock this restricted mode on, you can do that also. For that, you have to sign in the YouTube account and click here the restricted mode. Scroll down. You can see here lock restricted mode on this computer. This restricted mode lock prevents others from changing the restricted mode settings on this browser. That means if any other user log in with their account, they cannot change the restricted mode from this browser. So click on this option. Now it will ask for the account password. Just enter the password, sign in. Now just scroll down to the bottom. Now this restricted mode is on. After locking this restricted mode, don't forget to sign out from the current account. Now you can see at the bottom of the YouTube page, you cannot change this restricted mode because this is already locked. There is a message here, restricted mode is locked by this user and you have to sign in to unlock. To disable the restricted mode, the same user must be signed in and only he can change the restricted mode lock. So this is safe for children and anybody using YouTube. I think this restricted mode lock is useful for family needs. If you are using mobile, you can do the same settings in mobile also. First we will check how to enable this safe mode on Android. In the Android, when you open the YouTube application, you can see here the user icon. You have to click on this one to log in. If you are already logged in, you can go to this icon. Then the settings will be displayed. Click on this settings. Now you can see the general. Click on the general option. At the bottom you can see the restricted mode. You have to turn this on. If you enabled this button, the restricted mode will be enabled on your Android mobile. If you are using mobile browser to watch the YouTube videos, you can do the same settings in mobile browser also. For that, open the browser and open m.youtube.com. There also you can see one option menu here. Click on this menu button. Here you can see the settings. Click on that setting. There you can see the restricted mode. You have to change this on. If the restricted mode is on here, inappropriate content will be blocked from the mobile browser also. These settings are for Android device. Now let us check how to do these settings on iPhone. If you are using iPhone, you can see the application here, YouTube. Open the application, and there also you can see the user icon here. Click on that. It will ask to sign in. If you are already signed in, no need to sign in again. Otherwise, click on the sign in button and enter the email. Now you are signed in. After that, click on this button again. Here you can see the settings. Click on the settings. In settings tab, you can see the restricted mode filtering. This will be don't filter in default. You have to change this. You can choose the strict. If you select the strict, the restricted mode will be enabled and inappropriate content will be blocked from the YouTube application. If you are using web browser in iPad or iPhone, you can use the same. This is youtube.com browser. Open the menu here. Sign in with your email ID. Enter the password. Again click on the menu. You will get the settings again. Now there will be restricted mode. If it is off, just turn on it to enable the restricted mode. If the restricted mode is on, all the inappropriate video content will be blocked from iPad browser also. These all settings should be done in each browser. If you are using different browser, you have to do in all browser. Hello friends, in some computer, when we want to type the symbol at, usually when we need to type any email, we must type the at key. But in some computer, the at key will not work. That means when you press the shift button and 2, it will give a quote symbol instead of the at symbol. To solve this problem in our laptop, we have some options in the control panel. I will show how to solve this problem in Windows 7 and Windows 8 and in Windows 10 also. First, In Windows 8, open the control panel. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you share this video for others.